Hello, all. Welcome to the day 12 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. Today's question goes like this. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Team A, B, C went to play a tug of war game. The teams have attached a rope to a metal ring and are trying to pull the ring into their own area. Team A pulls with force F1. Team B pulls with force F2. Team C pulls with force F3. First subdivision. What is the magnitude of the force of Team A? So magnitude of F1 is equal to square root of 6 square plus 0 square, which is root 36, that is 6 kilonewton. Second subdivision, which team will win the game? To get this, we have to get the magnitude of F2 and F3 also. Magnitude of F2 is equal to square root of minus 4 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 32, that is 4 root 2. Then magnitude of F3 is equal to square root of minus 3 square plus 3 square, which is 3 root 2 kilonewton. So comparing the magnitudes of F1, F2, F3, we see F1 is the greatest. Since F1 is greater than F2 and F3, Team A wins the game. Third subdivision. Find the magnitude of the resultant force exerted by the teams. Let the resultant force be represented by F. F is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. So on adding all these three, we get minus I plus J. Magnitude of this resultant vector is minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2 kilonewton. The R part of the third subdivision. In what direction is the ring getting pulled? So to get this, we will find the tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but 1 by the j component by the I component. The direction angle theta is given by tan inverse of minus 1, which is minus tan inverse of 1, that is minus pi by 4. We must give the angle as a positive quantity. So pi minus pi by 4 gives 3 pi by 4. That is, the ring is pulled in the positive direction of x-axis. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.